Jomarc here. We have friends asking me that I should have a Fusion 360 tips and tricks in YouTube. Good news, you'll be hearing more from me. Released 3 days ago, we've added a new course in LinkedIn Learning Library. It's Fusion 360 Tips, Tricks, and Techniques. Here's the trailer video. Fusion 360 is taking the CAD world by storm because of its ease of use and provides real advantages over traditional CAD systems. Hi, I'm Jomarc Baquiran, an Autodesk Expert Elite Program member, Autodesk Certified Instructor, Fusion 360 Certified User, and welcome to our weekly series of Fusion 360 tips, tricks, and techniques. Every week, I'm going to share my best practices and train of thought in using Fusion 360 efficiently. This weekly series will assist beginners to overcome every challenges that may come along their Fusion 360 learning journey. In addition, it will serve as repository of techniques that are not found in the Fusion 360 documentation. Fusion 360 is constantly evolving fast and allow me to update you with its latest features. Our weekly series will cover a wide range of topics for you to master Fusion 360. So log in or sign up and let's get started. To all our friends in Fusion 360, you'll be hearing from me every Friday for a new tip to enhance your workflow. See you next week. Lastly, inviting you to join us in Fusion 360 Worldwide Users LinkedIn group.